Working out a lot is one of a big aspects of our life. We've both been doing CrossFit for, my wife has been about 5 years, I've been about 10 years. Just getting into that functional fitness to get as healthy and as fit as possible. Based off both of our backgrounds, we have that knowledge of, well, if we let ourselves go long-term wise, what sort of waits for us on the other end. I love regenerative medicine basically because going through residency training and being trained as a traditional physiatrist, you really see the downsides of traditional medicine, the failures being in that surgical system where patients just don't seem to get better. With this type of medicine, we're really aiming at and focusing on the problem, not just the symptoms. Everything functions together, so we really are able to address the root causes as well as some biomechanical issues, and on top of a nerve issue, on top of some other tendons and ligaments that may have been damaged. So we are the world leaders from research and development aspects. It's a unique situation where we're able to apply what we learn as soon as we learn it. So if we develop something in the laboratory setting, we can take that to the clinical stage within the week. The same day, if we do something, we can treat patients differently. No other clinic is like that in the world. Working at Centeno Schultz Clinic, there's a group of physicians. We all work as a team. We have that camaraderie as well as that flexibility to bounce ideas off each other, to continue education as well as research. And then we also continuing education for other physicians, where we train physicians almost on a monthly basis that come and fly into our clinic, and we can coordinate their education process.